Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're tackling something super useful. How to reset your Honeywell thermostat in 2025. Whether it's acting up, you need to clear settings, or you're troubleshooting an issue, resetting can fix it quickly. I'm excited to walk you through this step by step, so you can get your home comfort back on track in just a few minutes. First off, why reset? Honeywell thermostats are reliable, but glitches happen, maybe after a power outage or a software update. Resetting restores defaults without losing your basic setup. Before we start, a quick safety note. Make sure your HVAC system is off to avoid any electrical surprises. You'll need access to your thermostat and possibly a small tool like a paperclip for certain models. Let's dive in. Step 1. Locate the reset button or menu. On most 2025 Honeywell models, like the popular T9 or Lyric series, head to the main screen and press the menu button. Navigate to Settings or System using the arrow keys. Step 2. Select the reset option. Once in Settings, look for Reset or Factory Reset. Confirm your choice. Some models might ask you to hold a button for a few seconds. If your thermostat has a physical reset pinhole, gently insert a paperclip and hold for 5 to 10 seconds until the screen goes blank. Step 3. Wait for the reboot. Your thermostat will power down and restart, which usually takes 30 seconds to a minute. You'll see the initial setup screen appear. Step 4. Reconfigure if needed. After resetting, you might have to set the time, date, and Wi-Fi again. Follow the on-screen prompts to customize it back to your preferences. And there you have it. That's how to reset your Honeywell thermostat. It's straightforward and should solve most common issues. If you're still having problems, check the user manual or contact Honeywell support. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if this helped. Subscribe for more home tech tips, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay cool.